I've been exploring the Gerald Cash Advance app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Gerald Cash Advance app. Gerald Cash Advance is a financial app aiming to offer small, no-fee cash advances to help with short-term money needs. Unlike many other apps, Gerald promises no interest, no service fees, and no hidden charges. You link your bank account, and based on your transaction history, the app lets you request instant advances from $10 up to $80. It also offers buy now, pay later options for essentials like phone plans or household items, making it more than just a cash advance app. From my personal experience, its zero-fee promise is a standout feature. Getting small funds quickly without worrying about extra costs can be a relief when you're strapped for cash. The app is straightforward to set up, linking smoothly to my bank, and funds can arrive instantly if approved. That said, the maximum cash advance is quite limited. $80 might not cover larger emergencies. Also, to get the full advance, sometimes you're required to make a purchase through the app's Buy Now, Pay Later store, which not everyone will want to do. On the downside, some users have reported frustrations with unexpected purchase requirements, delays, or difficulty contacting customer support. A few experiences suggest it can feel confusing or restrictive, especially if you hoped for a simple, straight-up cash loan. And since the app is fairly new and less well-known, issues with reliability and transparency have popped up in reviews. All in all, Gerald Cash Advance could be a helpful option if you occasionally need a small, fee-free advance and don't mind the purchase step. However, if you're looking for larger loans or smoother customer service, it may fall short. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.